So peripheral boards, like I said, like I've always said in my videos, board sort, according to board sort, they're worth about $1.50 for peripherals, and they consider video game boards as peripheral boards. So we got this guy here, where we're at 14 ounces. It's at $1.50. So we have $1.32 for peripheral board. And we got a bunch of plastic here, garbage. Then we have copper bearing motors. Which is £1 worth, so that's a good 12 cents. Don't get much for copper bearing around here. Copper bearing motors, at least. Let's see what I'm gonna get for cables. Here, some cables there. There's not much in cables and ribbons and whatnot. But, well, it's not barely gonna hit up an ounce. Yeah, like I said, barely an ounce, so 0.4 of an ounce, which isn't much. And usually I get about 80 cents. Let's get this steel out of the way. Let's see, so usually get about 60 cents. Divide that by ounces. .4 ounces. We're talking about a negligible. We're talking about a penny and a half worth of ribbons and cables, which isn't much.